Morning guys, today we're working on a Singer Porsche, not your average Singer Porsche. This is one of 75 Williams Engineering, detailed with ammo FROTHe. So we're working at Luxury and Supercar Weekend. I'm proud to get a call from the FAF group and Singer Porsche to come work on this new beast. So let's get going, then we'll cover all the little details and aspects of this car that you just can't see in photos because it just looks amazing. So let's go. So we're just working our way around the car right now, and it's kind of hard to sit here and detail this thing and not just constantly look at all the details. The powder coated white exhaust and the way the taillights look with the vents in it and the gold Singer. Everything is important, and that's their philosophy, and they absolutely hit the nail on the head with this car. It's mind-blowing how gorgeous this car is. I honestly can't say that enough. Yeah, can't even explain it. So let's continue. So now working on the rear window here, looking inside, all you can see is dry carbon fiber, we'll show you here. And the crossbar for the roll cage is all stitched, and it's absolutely stunning. Guys, and we have completed a Singer Porsche DLS. Looks absolutely stunning. Now we're going to do a quick walkthrough of all the little details in this car. We can't do them all because there's too many, but we're going to showcase a few of our favorite spots. So let's go.